Welcome, my dear students. Today we will study our first chapter of EVS, which is My Amazing Body. In this chapter, you will study about our body and how amazing it is. Okay? Our body does everything for us. Okay? So, here are some key points which you are going to study in this chapter. First of all, we will study about some activities. Then, we will study about our external body parts. Then, our internal body parts. Then, other important things which is present in our body. Okay? So, let's start with our first topic, activities which our body do or does for us. Okay, first activity is eat. We can eat with the help of our body. We can drink water. We can run. We can jump. Okay, it also helps us in breathing. To think, with the help of our body, we can kick, we can sleep, we can see anything, we can hear, we can feel, we can hug our friends or our favorite persons, we can smile, and we can cry also. Okay, these are some important activities which our body does for us. Okay, so now we will talk about our body parts which helps in these activities, and we differentiate between external body parts and internal body parts. Let's start with our external body parts. Okay, these are our external body part. Okay, those we can see are external body parts. Our first external body part is our head. Okay, and second one is our eye. Eye helps us to see any object. Then our ears. Ears helps us in hearing. We can hear any kind of music, any kind of voice with the help of our ears. Then our nose. Nose helps in breathing, and we can smell any fragrance with our nose. Then our next part is our mouth. With the help of mouth, we can eat food, we can drink water, okay, we can talk, we can sing. There are so many works of our mouth. Then our neck. Neck helps us to move our head in the left or to the right. We can move our head upside as well as in the down with the help of our neck. Then our shoulders. These are my shoulders. With the help of these shoulders, we can move my hands like this. Okay? I can put anything up. Okay? This is the work of our shoulders. Then our hands. Hands are the body part which is present in a pair. In a pair means I have two hands. It means I have one pair of hand. Okay? With the help of hand, I can write anything. I can take any object from you, or I can give something to you with the help of my hand. Okay? Then knee. Knee is a joint of leg. With the help of knee, we can bend our leg. Okay, and this will help us to jump. Okay, then our legs are also the body parts which is present in a pair. Like I have two legs which helps me to walk, run or jump. I can move from one place to another with the help of my legs. Okay, so that's all in this topic. Let's start with another internal body parts. These are internal body parts. These we cannot see, but they are very helpful. Why we don't see them? Because they are present inside our body. Okay, our first internal body part is brain. Our brain is better than the best computer. Okay, and the main function of brain is thinks and control my body. Okay, brain thinks, helps us in thinking, and brain also control our other body parts. Our second body part is heart. Heart is present in our left side of body. It pumps blood to our whole body, and it is its most important function. Then our lungs present in a pair. Okay, and lungs helps in breathing. We breathe with the help of nose and with the help of lungs. Then our stomach helps us to break up and digest the food which we eat. Okay, so our stomach has to do so much of work because it digests the food. So let us not give it extra work and make it tired. Eat as much as you can a healthy diet. Okay, don't eat the fast food because that food may cause harm to your body, and that food will also increase the work of our stomach. Okay, so these are our internal body parts. Now I will let you know and introduce you with some other parts which are known as our sense organs. By them we sense anything. 5 sense organs. First one is our eye. As you know, what is the work of our eye? We can see any object with our eye. So, our eye helps us to see anything. Then our ears. Ears are also a sense organ. We can sense any voice, any music, louder or maybe a low volume with our ears. Okay, then our nose. Nose helps us to sense any smell, good or bad. Okay, it helps us to sense smell. Then you have seen that whenever we eat something, it may be tasty or tastier. Okay, so we used to say, wow, how tasty it is. How we can know about that? With the help of our tongue. Tongue helps us to taste whether it is good or bad. Okay, so tongue plays a very important role to taste any food. Then comes our skin. Skin helps us to sense about the weather or anything we touch. We can sense it with the help of our skin. Okay? If I touch this board, I can sense it. And this will help me to recognize that surface. It is smooth or rough. We can sense it. Okay? There are some other parts also, like our body is made up of some bones, and those bones combines to form a skeleton. Okay? Rather than a skeleton, we have blood in our body, which our heart pumps, and we have some muscles also. Okay? That's all about this chapter. Now we will meet in our next video with a new chapter. Thank you.